Good evening, everyone. I'm back again with another video, and I just wanted to say hello to everyone. I hope you guys had a beautiful day today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you stay to the end of this video, I will be giving you guys a free gift just for your time, just for watching the video, just for subscribing, just for being a trooper and sticking with me as long as you guys have. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. You've really helped me out a lot, with all the subscribing, and I hope I'm helping you because I like helping people make money online. Yes, I make money too, but I'd rather see you guys succeed, and I'll fade into the background. Just want to watch you guys succeed. That's just me. That's the type of heart I have. But just for your time, for taking your time out, watching this video all the way to the end. Towards the end, you'll get a free gift, okay? If you're interested, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Um, this is just me saying thank you as a way of saying thank you for watching my videos and just sticking with me as long as you have, okay? So I found out about this site today. It's called Free Daily Dollars. It's a pay-to site now. Pay close attention, you guys, because these are the ones you guys want to be signing on to quickly and start working them as soon as you sign on. Because if they're low cash outs, you guys won't find too many low cash outs like this. There's a lot more lower cash out websites than higher cash out ones. I've noticed that because I'm a part of a lot of them. So I pick and choose which ones I work. It depends on what they have to offer. Okay, so as you see here, you can earn by watching videos. Okay, you get 6 cents, 6 points basically for watching videos, and you just let it run in the background and you get points. Okay, so it's worth it. Okay, right here this shows you what people are earning and where they're earning from. Okay, so you can go to daily surveys. They have the offers here. Let's check out the offers. Excuse me. Okay, let's check out the offers, see what they got here. Okay, so look, you guys, you get 35.1 coins to sign up and confirm your email, engage with the site. That is, guys, you trust me, you want to be doing stuff like this. But just remember this. This is a little tip. Take my advice. I had to learn this myself when I first started doing these pay-to-click sites. I learned this from a video I watched on the site called InstaGC. That's another pay-to site from someone called InstaGC Tutorials. She basically said that when you do email submits, you can make sure the email you enter is correct. Number one, you guys want to go to Gmail and just make up a whole bunch of emails. So when you do email submits, you don't have to use the same email over and over. But if you're going to use the same email, you need to, when you're done filling out that form, when you submit your email, the next page should be a form. You fill out your name, your address, all this stuff. When you're done, when you hit submit, you're going to go to the next page and let it stay there for 1 minute. And when you close out of that page, make sure when you go, after you're done confirming your email for that offer and you get credited for it, make sure you sign out of the website and then clear your history. Because if you don't do that, when you try to do another email submit, it ain't gonna credit you because it's gonna look like you already did it. So take my advice. I know what I'm talking about. I don't really do too many email submits because I have a ton of emails, and I would have to figure out which one to use for my email specifically. Create an email specifically for your email submits, and that's it. Just remember to clear your history when you're done. Make sure you do what it says, confirm your email, all that stuff it needs you to do, and then clear the history. Sign out of the website, clear the history, and then go back and do it again with the same email, okay? You can create another email, but make sure you create emails specifically for email submits on these websites. And it'll just be junk mail you're getting. You won't need the email for anything particular. It's just this is just going to be a whole bunch of junk mail. So look at all these. There's a whole bunch of them, guys. Look at this. Okay, so it says male/female age 18 years with 25 plus employees in the company. If this is you, you can actually do this. Okay. I love samples. Pixel fires when the user enters a valid email address and registration information. Okay, you guys trust me. This is stuff you guys want to be doing. Okay, I'm probably gonna come back on here and do one of these. So this is a really cool site. I actually heard about it earlier this morning. Um, So you guys really, you want to, whenever I bring you paid to click sites where the cash out amount is very small, you can get to it in one day. I would actually jump on those sites because you can be making money from all the low cash out sites. Trust me. Okay. I've done it. I've made $2 in one day off of these. So you can, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. You just got to put in the work. I mean, if you guys don't have time, you don't have to do this. You don't have to devote your all day long to this. Just maybe an hour or two, or maybe 15, 20 minutes. It's up to you. It depends on what you're willing to put in. Okay, what you put in is what you're gonna get out. So if you only put in an hour worth of time, you're gonna get an hour worth of. That's what you're gonna get back. I mean, the reason I show you guys this stuff is because I know it'll help you. If you guys are not, if you guys know that $1 adds up, then you won't care how low the cash out is. Because guess what? There's a lot of these sites where you got to get to $5 to cash out. You got to get to $10 to cash out. You got to get to $20, $25, $30, $100. I mean, at least they have these for you to cash out at $1. And you can come back and make multiple, you can cash out multiple times. That's the one thing I like about these low cash out amounts, because you can cash out $1 2, 3 times on one site. Just make sure before you go to another get paid to site, you clear your history. Do not go to another site until you clear your history, because if you don't, like say you come on a site and you do tap research, clear your history before going to another website and doing tap research, because it'll look like you've already done it, okay? Just or anything like any surveys that you do on one site, clear your history before going to another one. Um, it always works for me. If I spend 2 hours on a site, I sign out of the site, I clear my history, and I go to another site. That just it makes it easier for you. Okay, and also clearing your history keeps your computer from running slow. That's what I heard. I don't know if that's how true that is, but it works for me. Whenever I clear my history, my laptop runs perfectly. Okay. Um, Unless it freezes, that's different. But here we are on the offer walls here. So Theorem Reach is a lot like Tap Research, and you really want to pay attention to these because you get 1 to 2 points, disqualification points, just for trying the survey. Okay. Now, if you try all these surveys on here and you find out that you're not making any money or you're not getting anything, you can always come up here to Theorem Reach and do that. Okay. Hideout TV has unlimited videos. You guys can watch videos and get paid for the videos. We already discussed that. They have an ad click wall on here. Daily clicks. Click on that. And you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cents you guys will make clicking on these. 8 cents. Okay? 8 cents. Alright. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Like I said, I heard about this earlier today and I just wanted to come and bring this to you. So since you guys have stuck with me thus far, I haven't lost anyone. I like to talk, especially when I'm excited about bringing you guys money-making sites. So since you stuck with me through the video so far, I want to talk to you guys about your free gift. Okay, I'm not going to give you the details on what it is called or anything. I'm just going to tell you what you need to do to get to it. Okay. I'm going to leave the link to your free gift in the description below, and if you are interested in receiving it, you click on the link, you go there, you fill out the form, and then you'll receive it. You'll get it in your email. It'll be sent to your email, the link to your free gift. It'll be sent to your email, okay? So make sure that if you're interested in that free gift, click on the link, and when you go to this, when it takes you to where the free gift is going to lead you to, you fill out the form. You got to fill out the form in order to get your free gift, okay? You got to put your name, your email, and your phone number in order to get your free gift, okay? It's free. You don't pay nothing, okay? Trust me. You guys want to make money online? You want to learn more? You want to really skyrocket? Trust me, this will help you. I've already personally, I'll tell you the truth. I've already filled out the form and went and got my free gift. So you guys you don't want to miss out on this free gift, okay? So the link will be in the description for the free gift. I will leave the link, my referral link to this website if you guys are interested in signing up. And that's it. So like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to click on the link for your free gift. Take care.